Okay, so we have our spreadsheet formatted, new placement adjustments are calculated, and we used magic placement calculator. Then all of them are synced to these columns. So we use this feature, sync new placement. Everything is synced. So what's next? We have our formulas set up and enabled the ones that we want to run. When you click this, the tool will start calculating the new values for each of these four columns. It will paste in the past value whenever it's needed. It will paste in the new daily budget whenever it's needed. And it will also paste in target CPC and calculate new bid value. The Google Sheets have a limitations of 6 minutes only to do the calculations. If your bulk file is really big one and it will exceed this time, you will see an error that the time has run out and the script hasn't finished its job. No worries, we've got you covered on this scenario. The script remembers where it finished last line, and what you need to do next, you need to simply click run selected rules again, and the tool will pick up from where it's left before. So if you have really huge files like 40,000 rows, 60,000 rows, 70,000 rows, and you have slow internet and you have slow computer, then you might be facing those timeouts, and you will need to rerun the same function to finally see script finished instead of time has been exceeded. When you see script finished, it means it finished all job. At the moment, the script does the work in the batches of 9,000 rows. I found out that this is the optimal size. But if I will get a feedback that this is too much for your internet and for your computer, then we will lower it down, or I will make a setting so you can manually set the batch size and tailor how the script works to your circumstances. So now we are waiting until the script finishes its job, but we can already see that it updated new daily budget, and this is the formula 33 that kicked in. We can have a look what's that formula. Formula 33 is whenever the campaign got one order and ACOS is between 30 and 50%. Okay, so here we can see exceeded maximum execution time. You simply click dismiss and you can run the selected rules again. And now the script will pick up from where it left from the last successfully done batch and move to the next one. And then it will finish the job. Calculations were already done and we've seen the success notification. So now let's check what's been done. We can see new past values been added. We can see new daily budgets were added. We can also see new target cost per click being added whenever it's needed. And of course, new bid being calculated every time when there's TCPC present. Other than that, we can see all changes by deselecting blanks. This way we will see only the rows that were affected and some new values being calculated. As you can see here, the formula number 33, 17, 23, 13, 99, 33 kicked in and new values being calculated. So now what you can do, you can manually go through and check all the updates, and if you want to make any changes manually, this is the time when you need to do it. So for example, oh, I don't like this being knocked down from 21 to 20 cents. You can simply make a change to set it to 30 manually. Yeah. So this is how you do it. And after you've reviewed all the changes and you're happy with them, we move to the next step, which is apply. And you can apply values from new bid or from TCPC. So if you pick first one, the value from here will be copied to the bid. If you will pick the apply rules TCPC, this one will be copied here. It's up to you if you want to make an adjustment to your bid based on the new placement and bid strategy. So once you hit this one, what it will do, it will go through all the rows, check if new value is different than old one. So for example, this one is different than this one. So 21 will be copied to new bid. As you can see, it's been done already. 28 was the same, and therefore it was ignored. And in operations column, update will be only applied when the new value was different than old one. This feature makes sure that you update only the rows that needs updating, and Amazon won't be updating everything on your account that is not needed to be updated. Why this is important? If you update everything, it can take few hours until your updates will take effect. And with fewer requests to updates, effectively you are making changes quicker on your account. So once again, this is the same as applying new bid. You have only 6 minutes to run this script. If you see a timeout error, you simply go here and click the apply rules again, and the script will pick up from where it left. Okay, the script has done its job, and now we can check what it updated. So here in this column we can see update for the operation. Whenever the new value was different than the old one, you can see an update. Yeah. So all these values were updated. And here we can see which formula caused the new value to be calculated. So what's next? Last step will be clean the formatting. And what it does, it removes all the columns that were added. So it goes back here and deletes every column that is not needed when you upload the file to Amazon. So all columns have been deleted. Now what you can do is right click on the sponsored product campaigns, copy to new sheet, open new spreadsheet. Once it's loaded and you don't see the blue line, you can click file, download, and Microsoft Excel. And once the file is downloaded, you head back to your Amazon Ads dashboard. You can see it's been downloaded. So now you can choose the file and upload it to Amazon, and your changes should be applied within minutes. This file is not needed, so you can do move to the bin. And of course here, if you would want, you could also clean up the formatting even further by clicking delete no updates. It will remove all rows that have no update value in operations column. If you will do this and upload the changes to Amazon, the changes will take effect even faster because Amazon has less rows to be processed. Okay, so we covered all topics: onboarding, initial formatting of the spreadsheet, then calculating new placement adjustments, then what's the formulas and how they work, how they filter out the rows to be executed. Also, we've covered calculating new bids, new daily budgets, and new states, and then manually reviewing it, then applying the reviews and uploading back to Amazon.